In today's video, I will be showing you how to find third-party data information on the privacy settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Rednote application. So now you are on the home page. So as you see here, you will find this three lines up here. Click on it. Then you will find the settings. Click on it. And then here you will find the privacy settings. And as you see here in the bottom, you will find the third-party data information. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find the third-party data information on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.